Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to buy fractional shares on Fidelity. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually fund your account. So I have another video on how to do that in the description below, so check that out. After you've deposited money into your account, we're going to look for a stock. So at the top right, you see that magnifying glass, so click there. Okay, here you're going to search for the stock that you would like to purchase. So let's just say I want to purchase Tesla. It's going to type that in, so Tesla, and it's going to be the first option right there, TSLA. In this case, since I'm buying Tesla, so I'm going to click there. Okay, here you can see how the stock is performing, and at the very bottom there, you can see buy. So as you can see, for Tesla specifically, it is being sold currently as of the time of recording this video at $172.79. So at the bottom, I'm going to click on buy. And you can see right there, available to trade. So I've already deposited $25 into my brokerage account, and just taking a look at this as a whole, at the top you'll see buy TSLA or Tesla. To the right of that you see limit. So if you're buying fractional shares, you cannot purchase the shares through a limit order. You have to buy it through a market order. So I'm going to click there just to show you guys. Okay, so I clicked on the limit at the top, which brings up this menu for order types. So when you're buying a stock at market price, you're basically saying, hey, I'm going to purchase the stock at whatever price the market currently has it. If you buy it at a limit price, you get to set how much you want to buy it for. Like I said earlier, so since Tesla is currently going for 172 and change, if I set a limit price, like, hey, if Tesla happens to go down to like 160, I'll buy it at that price. But if I'm buying at market, I'm going to be buying it at 172 and change. And you could only buy, as of right now, fractional shares using market orders. So I'm going to click on market orders. Okay, so at the top there you see that 0, and right under it you see 2 arrows and shares. So right now you're not buying through like a dollar value, you're buying like shares. So if I type in 2, I'm basically saying I'm going to be buying 2 shares of Tesla, but that's not what I'm going to be doing here. You're going to click on that green part that has the 2 arrows and shares, and when you do that, it's going to switch over to a dollar value. So now whatever number I type in there is the dollar value I'm buying for that stock. So let's just say I want to buy $1 worth of Tesla, right? Okay, so you can see there, estimated shares, I'm buying 0.006 shares of Tesla. Like, I'm not buying a single share, I'm only buying $1 worth of Tesla. And under that you'll see the amount that you have available to trade, or basically your wallet amount that you could purchase stocks for, and the stocks you're buying. So right now I'm going to buy $1 worth of Tesla. At the very bottom you click on review, and right here it's just going to give you your summary. So it looks like it'll show you your last, your bid, and your ask. But right there, estimated shares, so I'm buying $1 worth of Tesla. At the very bottom there, you click on that green button that says buy whatever stock you're buying, and just like that, I have purchased $1 worth of Tesla. I'm going to click on done. So yeah, as you can see here under my account, I have purchased 0.005 shares of Tesla, also known as, at this point in time, $1 worth. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.